Hey you guys, welcome back to Ash on the Line. Today we're doing an unboxing and review on Dima Eyewear. They sell luxury sunglasses but at a more affordable price. And they basically reached out to me and asked me to do a review video. So enough wasting time, let's go ahead and unbox it. Ooh, I do really like this packaging. They just fit like perfectly in there, and I do like the boxes. I guess we'll start with this one. Oh. Okay, so it comes with these little baggies. You put your glasses in there. Okay, so the first one, this looks like the Nova. It seems like it'll keeps them well protected. Oh. Wow. These are pretty good quality. Like, you can tell that there's some weight to them. If you buy some sunglasses at the mall, I don't think they're gonna be like this heavy. Oh, and I also really like these, the part that sits on your nose. It's not just like the clear little pieces. Theirs are actually gold. So let's try them on. I really like these. These are so cute. I like how they sit. They sit like perfectly. I don't feel like they're gonna like go anywhere. Man, these are nice. Oh, and then you can even use this to double as like a wipe your sunglasses off. Okay. Yes. You can see that it has the logo on the side right here. So I do like that. They seem pretty comfortable. So that's the first pair. Let's open our second pair. Ooh. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like these too. These look really nice. Okay, so I like how they look. Again, you can tell they're a lot more heavier than like if you bought some sunglasses at the mall or some little cheap little shades. You can tell they're good quality. I do like that they have the logo on the outside right here, but also on the inside, it tells you the name of the shades. Say if you're talking to someone and they're like, I really like those shades, where did you get them? You could be like, oh, I got them from Dima Eyewear. The brand is Floor. All right, let's try them on. Ooh, I like these too. Honestly, I think I might like this pair better, but just because I'm more of like a thick frame girly sometimes. Both of these look really good. The lens seems like good quality, like they really protect my eyes from the sun. You know, sometimes you buy shades and they don't really seem like they're gonna help, you know, when you're driving or whatever, but I can even look at my lighting in here and it's not like bothering my eyes. So yes, seem like very good quality shades. It's like I like this fit better, but I think I like the colors on this one better. Do you like the Floor? Do you like the Nova? Which pair do you like better? And which pair do you think you're gonna purchase from Dima Eyewear? They have a pretty wide selection on their website, so even if you don't like these styles, consider checking them out, seeing if you can find a style that works for you or someone that you know who would really appreciate a gift like sunglasses. I gotta be honest with you guys. So I will say the only thing that I don't like is that I wish maybe in addition to the bags, I wish maybe they could have came with some type of case. So that way, you know, if I have them in my car, I won't risk them like being bent or something, because with the bags, might accidentally sit on them, might accidentally step on them. Whereas if it's in a case, that would be like less likely to happen. However, at the same time, I do know that a lot of the newer cars will just have like a place for your sunglasses where you don't need the case. And also, it's probably more economically friendly, more sustainable to have just the bags versus like sending out cases to everyone. Maybe they could offer, if you want to buy like a case for your glasses, then they could charge like a little extra. I think maybe that would be something cool to offer. Special thank you to Dima Eyewear for the opportunity. If you're interested in purchasing from Dima Eyewear, I'll have a link to their website, a link to these glasses, as well as a promo code in the description box below. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.